Hello everyone, I am Tutor Feston. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about two limits, how to evaluate limit. We are going to solve it step by step. Please keep watching. Now here we have limit x approaching to 1 of the function x squared plus x minus 2 over x minus 1. The first thing that we're going to do here is to copy the things that has been the value of the function we have been given. Limit x approaching to 1 of x squared plus x minus 2 over x minus 1. After copy, the first thing that we are going to do is to take this one and replace in the value of x we have. Limit x approaching to 1 equal to 1 squared plus 1 minus 2 over 1 minus 1 equal to 1 squared is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 minus 2 over 0. This one equal to 0 minus 0 over 0. To mean that this one is equal to indeterminate case. After showing this one is indeterminate case, this is another max. So what are you going to do is to copy again limit of x approaching to 1 of x squared minus plus x minus 2 over x minus 1. Then what I'm going to do the first is to factorize the function quadratic equation we have here, which is x squared plus x minus 2. Here, this one, we write limit x approaching to 1. Here you have to find two numbers you can multiply together to get negative 2. And their sum is equal to positive 1. There are negative 2, positive 2 and negative 1. Here will be equal to x squared plus 2x then minus x. This one can be multiplied to get negative 2, then their sum is equal to positive 1, then minus 2 here over x minus 1. So this one will be equal to limit of x approaching to 1. We are going to put this one together, x squared minus x bracket then plus 2x minus 2 their bracket over x minus 1. This equal to limit x approaching to 1 factorize x minus 1 then plus, because you have put this one outside to get x times this one is equal to x squared and this one is equal to x, then factorize 2 to get x minus 1 over x minus 1. This will be equal to limit x approaching to 1. We're going to put these numbers and variables which are outside of bracket together, x minus then plus 2, and if here we have two functions which are in bracket which are equal are similar, we have to put 1. This one x minus 1 over x minus 1. Here we can simply simplify them to go to get limit of of x approaching to 1 of x plus 2. After this one, we are going to replace the value of x in the equation we are still remaining with. Here will be equal to limit x approaching to 1 will be equal to 1 plus 2. Then limit x approaching to 1 will be equal to 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe and share just for reaching too many people. Thank you so much. Question 2 is x squared minus 3x over x. Solution is to replace the 0 in the above formula. Here we have the function we have. The first thing we are going to do is to copy limit x approaching to 0 of 0 squared minus 3 times 0 over 0. This will bring limit. Here I have to write equal to x approaching to 0 equal to 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 over 0, to mean that this is indeterminate case or indeterminate form. You can say indeterminate case or indeterminate form. If your function seems that it is indeterminate case, you have to come up to the form you have here and write it again like this. Limit of x approaching 0 of the function x squared minus 3x over x. The things that we are going to do is to factorize the function we have. This will bring limit of x approaching to 0 of x bracket of x minus 3 cross bracket over x. This one, it will bring limit of x approaching to 0 of this one will be cancelled to get x minus 3. Now, other things that we are going to do is to replace the value of x we have here. This will bring limit of x approaching 0, which is equal to 0 minus 3. Then limit, to conclude, limit of x approaching 0 of the function x squared minus 3x over x will be equal to negative 3. Question 3 is limit of x approaching to 3 of x squared minus 9 over x minus 3. This will bring, have to copy, that is solution. We're going to copy limit of x approaching to 3. We're going to replace the value of x as 3 equal to 3 squared minus 9 over 3 minus 3. This is equal to limit of x approaching 3 equal to 9 minus 9 over 3 minus 3. This equal to 0 over 0, to mean that this is indeterminate form or indeterminate case. So if you get to indeterminate form or indeterminate case, this is an 1 max. Then you come up to the form you have been given, which is x approaching to 3 of the function x squared minus 9, x squared minus 9 over x minus 3. This will bring limit of x approaching 3. This one, we're going to use this formula a squared minus b squared equal to a minus b, a plus b. We're going to use this formula as x minus 3, okay, and x plus 3. Because this is as a 3 squared, we say b squared as a 3 squared, then over x minus 3. This will help us, this one to be cancelled, to get limit x approaching 3 of x plus 3. Other things that we're going to do is to replace the value of x you have here, limit of x approaching 3 equal to 3 plus 3, then limit x approaching 3 of the function x squared minus 9 over x minus 3 equal to 6. The last one is limit x approaches to 2 of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x equal to 5. The third thing you are going to do is to rearrange limit x approaches to 2 of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x then minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, we're going to check if we replace 2 in the above formula we have here. This is trinomial, if it can provide solution. So limit x approaches to 2 equal to 2 cube minus 3x squared times 3 times 2x squared plus 4 times 2 then minus 5. We're going to see if equal to 0 equal to 8 minus this one is equal to 4, 12 minus 12, this plus 8 minus 5 equal to 8 plus 8 equal to 16, negative 12 and negative 5 equal to negative 17 equal to negative 1. To mean that negative 1 does not equal to 0, since 2 we replaced does not, this negative 2, since negative 2, since 2 we have replaced in the formula we have here is not equal to the solution, to mean that 2 does not provide solution. This we can conclude that 2 cannot provide solution. Thanks for watching.